So what's up mga pop? So this is my new Hub Pro Hope 4 148 hub spacing. So we're just gonna compare the sound, the hub sounds of the new one, and I got my friend here. He has also Pro Hub. This is a used one. So how long is this one?
Uh,
2019.
2019.
I've been using it for 2019, and this one just like 2021. So gonna compare the sound, right? So we'll try the sounds. So I'm turning the bike upside down. So his hub is 2020, not 2019. Right, here we go. One more time. So yeah, that's the loudest sound with the new one has. So let's try the other one. So that's my bike right there, and now we're gonna test this one from Nomad Santa Cruz. I don't know if this is stuck, but yeah, when he bought this one, it came with the bike. All right, here we go. One more. You hear the difference now? Yeah. So we have the new one. It's more as like the compared to the old used one. So the used one has more sounds right now. Yeah. So if you like this video, let me know. You comment. Please comment. Leave comment down below, and then yeah. If it's natural for new hub or yeah. So we'll see. All right. Thanks. Peace.